Ready to take your crypto game to the next level? Click the link in the description below to snag your exclusive discount on CoinLedger Voyager. All right, let's dive in. CoinLedger Voyager is the ultimate tool for managing your cryptocurrency portfolio. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, CoinLedger Voyager has got your back. Why CoinLedger Voyager? First, it offers real-time tracking of your crypto assets across multiple exchanges. This means you can see all your investments in one place, with up-to-the-minute accuracy. It's like having a crystal ball for your crypto trades. Ever get overwhelmed by the tax implications of your trades? CoinLedger Voyager simplifies that too. It automatically generates tax reports tailored to your jurisdiction, helping you avoid those nasty surprises come tax season. Plus, it's fully compliant with IRS regulations, ensuring you stay on the right side of the law. But wait, there's more. The platform also offers powerful analytics tools. These tools help you make informed decisions with detailed insights into your trading patterns and market trends. It's like having a personal financial advisor, but way cooler. Security is a top priority for CoinLedger Voyager. With industry-leading encryption and multi-factor authentication, your data is always safe and secure. You can trade with peace of mind, knowing your investments are protected. Still not convinced? How about this? CoinLedger Voyager offers seamless integration with your favorite exchanges and wallets. No more juggling multiple apps and spreadsheets. Everything you need is right at your fingertips. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below to get your discount on CoinLedger Voyager today. Elevate your crypto trading experience and turn uncertainty into opportunity. Thanks for watching and happy trading. Remember, the key to success in the crypto world is staying informed and making smart decisions. With CoinLedger Voyager, you're not just investing, you're mastering the game. Click that link below and start your journey with CoinLedger Voyager now. See you next time.